Hey boys and girls, and welcome to math. Today we're going to continue to be comparing numbers using standard and expanded form. Alright, so look at this example right here. 203, is it greater than or less than or equal to 300 plus 2? Well, to model that, let's look at base 10. So for this example, you have two hundreds, and then we would have three ones right here. Over here we have three hundreds, and then we would have two ones. So if you drew it out base 10 and you would look at these two numbers, you would recognize, oh, 203 is less than 300 plus 2. Because if we made this number into a standard number, it would be 302. 302. Let's look at this example right here. Okay? Now, this number is not written in standard form. This is written in word form. Also, this number, if you notice, the tens are here, hundreds, and ones. And sometimes you will see numbers written that way. So you can't automatically say, oh, this is 924, because it's not. This is 294. Let's look at this example right here. If you take the number that you saw on the second slide, on that last slide, 9 tens, 2 hundreds, 4 ones. Well, if I drew that out exactly how it says, and then I look at this number, I would see, oh, there's 900, 200. And then there's 9 tens and 4 ones. 2 tens, 4 ones. So then you would see the number 294, 924. So you have to be very careful that when you're looking at the number, that you don't let it trick you just because it's written out of order. So 9 tens plus 2 hundreds plus 4 ones is less than 924. Okay, so what you're going to be doing today is you are going to be taking a quiz over all of this information. We're going to come back together and do some practice before you do your quiz, so join me back on Zoom.